Kani gade ka Patisi TV.
Hene ka khatsau tarik ka badai ka singi ka ba ka perthai ka raki ya ka Valentine's Day. Ka seng thmau rangli tur kala yad da kawai ka lenti ban Pynsngewthuh pajba par ka jingdon kam kumno banyo jingmenjur habakidon ka jingye e samla lani habakidai kisijur. Ka tur ka badan hapo ka jingelam jong kong Angela rangan kilai le bandrung syaga jaka ka ba kisijur kijipun lut por ba banya philio jingye kata hanan polok paraba kilayo bansam yeki sticker ki baladon ni ki jingtho balatho bun ki kintien baklem ka jingyo jingmanjur ka de ka jingbat bor bat ka balatho bahakani ka Valentine penni ya ka jingye tangma kanmau klem ka jingmanjur em kamut em habai kran bekilat pathai kubor na kaliang ka kong Angela rangat kalaong ka jingki ustat ki kamcha thambor kladon kamru ban pen sapriang yeki jinghikai kum ka sex education baru ban hikai Halor ka jinon kamban yo ya ka jingye teblem pa ka jingburam markeliang.
We've decided to start this campaign symbolically on Valentine's Day because it is the day where we celebrate love. And in this case, our main concern is with physical love. So we want to stress on the importance of consent and what consent actually means. And according to our definition, which we want to spread to everyone here, everyone else, consent is an enthusiastic yes. So we need to remember that. It's not that, okay, somebody coerces someone towards the physical act of love and then she says yes, but she's doubtful. That is not a yes. A yes is something when she or he, I shouldn't say she, he or she actually wants to do it willingly. So we want to spread this message mainly because of the numerous cases that have happened in the past, especially in the past year, the number of assaults, the number of rape cases that have happened in Meghalaya. So this is the first step that we've taken, and Angela from Tour would like to also take this further as take it forward as programs where we go to schools and talk to the students, because I think sex now begins at a really young age. It's not really an 18 and above thing anymore, even though that is the age of consent here in the country. But sex begins really early. So we want to take this further on to schools and colleges to let the young people know the importance of consent and how, if something is done unconsensually, how it affects the lives of the person who is the victim in any particular scenario.
Kani ka jing sedang mentasi ka longban saphyang kani ka khubor saphang ka jing don kam bandon ka jing Pynsngewthuh ha pedeng kenthai shin rang ba kham samla ne ki bla rang ba ru kham tam ya kani ka jing don kam ka jing ya manjur mentang yo I ha Meghalaya su si bla kerhai har wo kini ki kam le be jot kam be ai but yo I ki reports about what kini ki juveniles ru are getting into trouble, and so there is a need to talk about sex, sexuality, kanika jingdon kam Pynsngewthuh ya ka respect and consent. Banshu ong ba ngimnum ya kren Halor kini ki kamnum ya rap ya ki babun, but ladang isu dawa tang ya ki an ban pen stat ka jing tokit bat ka jing kem ya kini ki bale bi an kata kalong hadin bala aja kini ki ike hendengi haban sedang ru ban pej ki kita kila ki bangila ban wat ban le ki ban pensange si sundon ni kini ka jing thombor ba ka jing bian nama ka sedang hina do nang ta ka jing sngow badon ka bor ban le kat bamon ba ka jing Pynsngewthuh ba ka don kam ya kani ka consent ne kata ka jing ya manjur lang. But kalau ada ke por sisa bangin nyara akan ke kubur seki school seki college seki senang ki jongi. But ini mentasngi ide tang ijing persang iba sedang ya kan ni. Nama mentasngi ngitip barok ya risai kata kasngi ban celebrate ya kata ka jing ya day berengki beriu. Tingi sngow ba kadai ka lat yang ni ban sapriang kan ni ke kubur kan lingba kini ki stiker ki bangi sam. Handai kan ni kamdai ka kabankut tang mentasngi. Kadi ka jing sedang bat ngi kwa sisa banda khamrung seki school seki college bandan ki program ars ngi lais ngi banya kren Halor kini ki issues kum ka wei ka banta bante la kam ya kini ki kam be an kam thombor ha ka jilla jongi
Kani gade ka Patisi TV.